So hello everyone, my name is Devajit Das, and today we are going to start a new project on React Native. So I am going to create a full playlist of small projects, mini projects on React Native. Then we'll go for a large project on React Native. So first, using these projects, we will learn different parts of React Native, and it will make us help. It will help us to build the foundation for our app development journey. So, to create a React Native app, so we have to get two things. One is the VS Code and IDE, and other than that, I have to get the Node, the like Node.js, uh, so that I can use the npm, which is Node Package Manager. So after that, like here I am using VS Code, and in VS Code I have also created a new folder, open folders, to where I will store my all the projects. So here I just open that folder, and in that folder I have to use the terminal to create a new project. So I'm using the new terminal, and in new terminal I'm writing I have to use npx create expo app at the rate latest with the name of the project, which is hello here. So after that I have to hit enter, and it will create a new project. It will create a template project for me. And here the npx is the upgraded version of npm, which is a Node Package Manager. And here I am telling it to create a expo app. So expo is a framework for React Native, and hello is the name of the project I am keeping here. So after writing this, like if I hit enter, it will do some operations, and here it will create a hello folder itself, and it will download some like template projects from, like template files from the npm. And after everything is done almost, and one thing, in expo or in React Native, maximum time 90% packages are depreciated. I don't know why, but it is what it is. After that, so we have to go inside the hello project that I have already just created. So inside that I just use the cd space hello, which is the name of my project. So inside that I have to write npx expo start. Okay, after that I have already used like I am using here the emulator, because I have to show that what is happening on the app to you guys. But you don't have to use the emulator because it takes too much storage, uh, and too much RAM. But you can use your own Android devices, like you can plug it in your laptop or PC, and then you can turn on the USB debugging. And like you have to first turn on the developer options, and then you have to go for the USB debugging. And after you have turned that on, you can just start here the project, like npx expo start, and then just you have to press here A for Android. If you press here A, it will start your project on your mobile. Here I am using emulator, so it is going to here. Okay, so it is my template project. Like if you start like if you create npx create expo app at the latest, So it will create this template app for every time. Okay. After that, we have to create our own project, like own UI. So I'm just deleting here the inside the app. I'm deleting everything here. Okay, so it will do nothing now. Then I have to just create a new file, which is index.tsx. I am using here TypeScript. You can also use JSX, which is JavaScript, but I like to use TypeScript, which is a better version of JavaScript and more strict version of that. So then I am using here React Native function component. So to use that, you have to just write RNCE, React Native component export. Sorry, yes, React Native component export. So you have to write that. What? Wait a second. I am using here React Native functional component. RN, yes. So I am using React Native functional component with export. So RNFE. Okay. So it will just create like this, and then here I will write okay, so it's all, that's it. But wait a second. So here if we save this file and then refresh it, it will show only an index. Wait a second. Just so here it is, the index file, like it is only showing index because it is here it is written index. So if I use rn fe, it will create a React Native functional component like what you see here, and it is it makes the UI for the app, for a page. So here inside the view, this is the part, like from here to here, like from here to here, everything is under view. Okay, so the like component, like the container is known as view. Like if you have already used HTML, you use like the div, but here you use the view. Okay, so inside the view we are using text. Okay, so then I am changing the text to hello there, and save it, and it will change it to hello there. But I want to change the alignment of the app. So I'm just like so I have to create a style sheet, so which is on styles, which is just works like a CSS cascading style sheet. So it provides like more style, like more um yes, style, color, UI, etc. Like not UI, color and design. So I'm using here const styles equals to uh style sheet, style sheet, dot create parenthesis, and inside that a curly braces, and inside that I am creating a container, curly brace, and inside that I am going to write flex 1, and after that align items center and justify content center. That's it. And if I assign this container inside the view, so this is a container, right? View is a container which contains text. So here inside the view I have to assign a style. To assign the style I have to use the attribute style. Inside the style equals to, then I have to use a curly braces. Inside that I have to use the styles to make a context of the style sheet of which I named styles dot container, and that's it. Like if I like, it's not working properly here, so if I refresh it, yep, it's entered properly. So after that I want to like increase the size of the font. So how to do that? To increase the size of the font I have to create a second like style of the text. So here I am creating text. In curly braces I am writing just font size, and inside font size I'm just writing like 32, and like font weight which should be bold. Okay, then if I save it, nothing will happen because I haven't assigned it yet with the text uh, attribute. So inside the text tag I have to use this with the style attribute. So I am using here style equals to curly braces, then styles to make a context, and then dot, then text. And if I save it, it will, voila. So that's all. That's this is like a simplest app you can make on React Native, and um nothing else here. You can also play with other like just like modifications, like inside the text you can also play with font family, font styles, font variants, and etc. You can try anything. Okay, go fuck around, do anything, just do it. Okay, and just save it, it will work fine on the app. Okay, that's all for this video. I will see you on the next video. What is my VS Studio? Like, oh, OBS Studio is